587-8888 now.
Conversation with Amanda Knox about justice in social workers, mental health professionals, lives matter, the police, and her own exoneration in the killing of her overseas roommate. Since then, she has authored a book and has begun hosting a podcast, a Facebook show called The Truth About True Crime. She's advocating for a renewed focus on fairness for defendants, while acknowledging advocates on all sides of hot-button issues could benefit from a timeout for self-reflection. Amanda, you as an American were exonerated of a murder in Italy. Are there parallels to your case in the American justice system?
Oh my gosh, so many. It's hard to count how